Hi guys, today we visited, which is one of the largest tire manufacturers in Indonesia. They produce high quality tires and even sell them to Europe. During the factory tour, we were told how the manufacturing process for the tires went. The first step is to mix all the raw materials, which consist of rubber, special oils, carbon black, pigments, antioxidants, silica, and other substances. The next stage involves the processing of rubber into a carcass. The strip layer is added with a thin cloth as a support so that the layer does not become sticky when used. Following this stage, the tire assembly process is carried out and the green tire is created. The green tire then has to go through the vulcanization stage, which creates the outer pattern of the tire. The last stage of this whole process is quality control. After cooling, each tire will be checked for defects by an X-ray and then visualized on a computer.
Hope you enjoyed, and we'll be back with more next time.